President ke NPP State Unit Bah Prestone tynsong mynta ke sngi ke arpusau tarik naiwieng hajar pulai ulapan paidbah ya ke kyrteng jong ki arngut ki kyrtong ke NPP ki iakhun na ke bynta ke Elekshon MP Lok sabha ke Shillong snem hajar pusau.
So let me just refresh your mind. That day, when we had first of office bearers meeting, you people insisted me, hey, tell me the name of the candidate. So this evening is the day for us to declare officially the name of the candidates from both the constituencies. One is Shillong Parliamentary Constituency and number 2 is Tura Parliamentary Constituency. So I'm so happy to now declare, after getting the clearance from the Honorable National President, Shri Konrad Sama, the approval for the proposed candidatures of these two constituencies. So I'm happy to tell you that Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, it has been approved that Dr. Ampareen will be our official candidate. And number 2 from Tura Parliamentary Constituency, Mrs. Agatha sitting MP, will be our official candidate in the upcoming MP election 2024. So this is the only announcement which I would like to share with all of you. And if you have any question, you are free to ask questions.